Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel KW Maths. So today we have another question, that is x plus under root of 3 plus root x is equal to 3. Then we have to find the value of x. Well, this is an Olympiad question, so it looks like easy, but it is not easy. So the solution will be solution. Here we have x plus under root 3 plus under root x is equal to 3. Now taking this x on other side, it implies 3 plus under root x is equal to 3 minus x. Now we have to remove this under root bracket. So for that we square on both sides. SBS, that is squaring on both sides. It implies under root of 3 plus under root x squaring is equal to 3 minus x whole square, right? Now this under root will cancel out. It implies 3 minus under root x is equal to, now this portion is a minus b whole square, because we know the formula. The formula is a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. We just apply this formula, so this portion will become 3 square, that is 9, plus x square minus 2ab. 2a is 3 and b is x, so 6x. Then this implies, now taking this 3 on other side, we have minus under root x is equal to 9 minus 3 plus x square minus 6x. Now changing the sign, here we have negative sign, we need positive sign. This implies under root x will be equal to 9 minus 3 is 6, and after changing sign it will become minus 6 minus x square plus 6x. Now again squaring on both sides, SBS, it implies under root x of square is equal to minus 6 minus x square plus 6x whole square. So this will become x by cancelling out, and now here we have minus 6 minus x square plus 6x whole square. By applying the formula is a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc and plus 2ca. So we apply this formula. Here value of a is minus 6, value of b is minus x square, and value of c is plus 6x. So it will become a square minus 6 square is 36, and b square is minus x square will become plus x power 4 plus c square, that is 6x. So 6x square whole square will become 36x square, and then we have plus 2 times of minus 6 minus x square plus 2 times of minus x square into 6x plus 2 times of 6x into minus 6, right? Now by simplifying, we have x is equal to 36 plus x square x power 4 and plus 36x square, and here we have 2 into minus 6 minus x square, minus will cancel out, and we have plus 12x square, and then we have minus of 12x cube, and then we have 2 into 6 into minus 6, that is minus of 6 into 6 is 36 and into 2 is 72x. Now again simplifying, it implies this side taking x on another side, we have 0 is equal to we have a number 36 and only 36 is a number, and we have variables x here, x, and then we have minus 72x. So this x will become negative, so we have minus 73x, and then we have plus 12x square, 12x square plus 36x square, that will become 48x square, and then we have minus 12x cube and plus x power 4, right? And this can be written as x power 4 minus 12x cube plus 48x square minus 73x plus 36 is equal to 0. This is an equation of degree 4. Now we have to simplify this equation of having degree 4. So what we can do now? There are only one option that we can apply, and that is hit and trial method. So we apply by hit and trial method. We have to find the root of this equation. So at x is equal to 1, we have 1 power 4 minus 12 into 1 cube plus 48 into 1 square minus 73 into 1 plus 36. That will become 1 power 4 is 1 minus 12 plus 48 minus 73 plus 36. This will become 48 plus 48 and plus 36. This is equal to 4 plus 6 is 14. Having 4 power 1, 4 plus 6 is 84. 4 plus 4 is 84. So 84 minus, now negative terms are 12, and actually there is plus 1 also, so it will become 85. Sorry, it will become 85. Now negative term is minus 12 and minus 73. So 73 and minus 12 will become minus 85. This gives the value 0. It means that at x equal 1 we have a root in equation. That means, this means that x minus 1 is a factor of the equation. Now one root is x equal 1. Now we will find 3 more roots by applying this factor x minus 1. Since this is the equation that we have find out, and x minus 1 is a factor of this equation, so what we can do now, we just apply a short trick. We already have a standard way to find out how we just divide this whole portion by x minus 1, but we are not going to do that thing. So what we can do, we just use a short trick, that is write in a standard way, that is first of all write the value of this root. X minus 1 is a factor and 1 is the root, so root value is 1, and then write down all the coefficients of the terms. That is, here we have 1 as coefficient of x power 4, then we have minus 12 as coefficient of x power 3, and we have 48 as coefficient of x square, and minus 73 as coefficient of x, and then constant value, that is 36, right? Now what we do, we just write down first coefficient, that is coefficient of highest power variable, that is 1. Write down exactly same as it is. Now what we do, we apply a process that will repeat at the end of these terms, that is root value into that coefficient value. 1 into 1 is 1, and write down here on next term. So 1 into 1 is 1, and now add these terms. minus 12 plus 1, that is minus 11. Now repeat same thing, that is root value into coefficient value, that is 1 into minus 11 is minus 11. And now add these terms, 48 minus 11, that is 37. Now repeat same thing, root value into 36, that is 37, that is 37, and then add these terms. This will give you minus 36, and then repeat same thing, 1 into minus 36, that is minus 36, and 36 minus 36 is 0. So whenever you apply this trick, last term will give you 0. If it give you 0, that means you are doing it correctly, otherwise your process is wrong. So now what we do, we just write this x minus 1 as a factor, x minus 1 as a factor, and these are our new coefficients of terms having degree 1 less, that is first coefficient is 1, highest degree of variable, that is x cube, coefficient is 1, then coefficient is minus 11 x square, and then coefficient is 37 plus 37 x, and then coefficient is minus 36 is equal to 0. So this is the short trick to factorize or to divide by x minus 1 the original equation in few minutes. Otherwise you have to apply the process, that is divide by x minus 1 the whole equation, and then you get these terms. That will be a lengthy process. This is the short trick. We have a cubic equation. This will again take time, but what we do, we again apply hit and trial method. By hit and trial method, by hit and trial method means you have to put x equal 1, x equal 2, x equal 3 up to so on. You can put negative values as well, but you have to check whether which one is the root of this equation. So I will check directly for x equal 4, because I know that at x equal 4 this equation will satisfy to 0. So at x equal 4, 4 cube minus 11 into 4 square plus 37 into 4 minus 36 will give you the value of 64 minus 4 square is 16, and 16 into 11 is 176, and plus 37 into 4 is 4 into 8, and 2 will 148 minus 36, and then after simplifying we have plus 64 and plus 148, that is equal to 212, and then we have negative values, that is minus 176 and minus 136, that is equal to minus 212, which gives the value 0. That means x equal 4 is again a root of this cubic equation, that can be written as x minus 1 is the first factor, and x equal 4 gives x minus 4 is second factor of this whole value. And after taking x minus 4 as this value and applying the same thing, what we can write down here is depend on the trick that we have used earlier, that is write the second factor, second root, that is 4, and coefficients of this cubic equation, that is 1 minus 11, 37 and minus 36. Now first coefficient is same. Now multiplying 4 with 1, that is 4, and minus 11 plus 4 is minus 7, and 4 into minus 7 is minus 28, and 37 plus minus of 28 is 9, plus 9, and 4 into 9 is 36, which gives the value 0. So what we can write down here coefficient of x square is 1, so we write down x square, coefficient of x is minus 7, so minus 7x, and coefficient of constant term is plus 9. So finally we have uh, two factors, that is x minus 1, x minus 4, and then a quadratic equation. And to solve a quadratic equation we know the formula, that is x is equal to minus of b is minus 7, so minus 7 plus minus under the root b square, that is minus 7 square is 49 minus 4 into a is 1 and b is c is 9, so 1 into 9 divide by 2 into a is 1. That gives the value minus minus plus 7 plus minus under root 49 minus 4 into 9 is 36 divided by 2, that is equal to 7 plus minus 49 minus 36 is 13 divided by 2. So finally we have the value of x, that is equal to 1, 4 and 7 plus under root 13 by 2 and 7 minus under root 13 by 2. These are the four values of x that satisfy the given equation that we solved. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more interesting videos. Bye bye.